Okay guys, so now that my hair is wet, I'm going to apply the Never Salty. Oh my god, that feels good already. Next up, Master Cleanse. Oil, dry shampoo, whatever you used on your hair, it eventually makes its way to your scalp, and you want to clean all of that off. My scalp feels absolutely amazing. We are now going to clean our hair with Honey Fresh. You can feel the moisture. Okay guys, now it's time to deep condition my hair with mask on. Now that I've cleaned my scalp and my hair is clean, we need to style it now. This cream actually helps to straighten your hair. And now I'm going to twist it. And see how it stays long and it doesn't shrink? This is the final look. I love the definition. I love the moisture.